Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay guys, today we are cleaning my vanity area and the upstairs, just tidying it up, but mainly my vanity area. This is a complete disaster. I don't know what happened, but don't judge me. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy, get some motivation to get something done in your home, and let's go.
Hey, like me, I love when you groove like that. Boy, can't you talk to me? It's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight jealous up above.
I think you can have two separate ones, or you can do like a 4-tier tray like that. But I feel like that's too high, so I'll just do the 2 separate ones. So I got this brush set from Marshall's in December, and I haven't opened it because I knew I wanted to organize my vanity and make it look pretty, so I haven't used it, so I'm pretty excited to get this done today. So we're going to open this later. I just have the little things here that I just need to organize and put in a better place. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so hear me out. This got this bad because I kept saying, oh, don't clean it because you're going to make a video. Don't clean it because you're going to make a video. And it just got so bad. But I normally don't have it this bad, I swear. It's so disgusting. Okay, let's clean it.
Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kissed me slowly and had me in your arms? You make me hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, like me I love when you groove like that. Hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. 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 You make me hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, like me I love when you go like that. Hey, could be us, but let them hey, I'm just saying, if I was your
Okay, now that it's clean, we're going to organize it. Every time I organize something, I always see how it works and then maybe change a few things if it's not working, like functionally. So this doesn't always stay the same. So next time you see me do a video, you'll probably see it changed because I like to make sure that it's working for me. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. Really excited.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Licking the plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this.
I have 2 of these drawer organizers, and I was just gonna put one, but I'm gonna see, because my stuff is not all fitting how I want it to, so I'm gonna see how I feel with both of them on here. My problem is I don't want to take up too much of the mirror room, but I think that that's okay. Like I said, let's just see how it ends up turning out once I'm done.
Didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you keep alive. All the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else.
Okay, so I changed my mind again. I'm just gonna have one, and the other one I have it over here on the side with all my stuff, because this stuff I don't use like every single minute, but it's close enough for me to just bend over and grab it if I need. And then I have this fan that I like to use to dry my setting spray. So I'm gonna, it's not that cute, I'm gonna buy like a pink one or something, but for now it'll have to do. But I'm gonna put it on that side. Actually, I'm just gonna keep it down here, and whenever I need it, I'll just, cause I don't know, it looks ugly. And then I'm gonna use this little rag that came with the brushes to put my powder on top of, because this is what makes the most mess on here, is when I open this and put it. So I'm gonna just have this here, and if I need to put something that's messy, I'll just set it on here instead of on the counter. So I think I'm just gonna keep it like this, very simple, and like I said, just see how it ends up working and how I feel about it. But at least the point of this was to organize and to kind of just clean, so I'm feeling good about that. And I have this mirror that I like to use because it has like an up close